Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Whistler video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the WBU-800 wireless backup camera. This camera does not require any kind of drilling or splicing into your vehicle's electrical system. The camera has its own built-in battery, which is kept charged up by the solar panels on the sides. It also comes with a 4.3-inch color LCD monitor. The unit itself is digital signal for better image quality. It's also going to have the on-screen parking guidelines to help you see where you're going. And it has the infrared LEDs for improved night vision. So let's go ahead and take a look inside the box and see what we've got. Okay, so we got the box open. We got all of our parts out here. First thing we want to take a look at is going to be the owner's manual. This is going to give you the instructions on how to use the unit, how to get everything set up. So you do want to make sure that you give this a read first. Now we've also got a hardware kit here that comes with a few screws and a wrench for mounting the camera to your license plate. And we've got a couple of spacers here to keep your license plate nice and level. We've got a pairing key here. This is going to be used to establish communication between the camera and the monitor. It comes with this USB cable. This is going to be used for charging the camera initially when you first set it up. It's going to plug into the side of the camera over here behind this rubber cover. Once you've got the camera charged up initially, the solar panels will keep the battery charged from there on out. On the back of the camera here, we've got a power switch. When you've got it plugged in charging with the USB cable, that power switch is going to illuminate. And then you can use this to shut the camera on and off if it's going to be stored for extended periods. All right, and then we've also got the monitor here. That's going to show you what the camera sees behind your vehicle. And then this is the power cord that's going to plug in to supply power to the monitor. And then we're going to mount the monitor on the dashboard. We can mount it either on the windshield using this suction cup here, or it does also come with this disc which has some adhesive on the back that can be stuck to your dashboard, and then the bracket can mount to it. Okay, so that's it for the WBU-800. It's a fairly simple unit. We're going to show you how to get this installed on your vehicle in our next video, so stay tuned.